In today's video, I'm going to show you the exact strategy that you can use to go from $0 to over $300 a day completely for free. And this is available worldwide to do so. You can do this anywhere in the world with your mobile phone or your PC, an internet connection, and a browser, just like I've got Chrome over here. This is not going to include surveys or tasks that only pay a couple of cents or $1 or $2 here and there. This is not going to be CPA marketing either. And what I like about the strategy, it's amazing for beginners that want to get started with making money online, and experts as well that have been making money online for quite some time. But I do want to add a disclaimer to this video. This is not going to work and make you $300 from day one. It's going to require a little bit of effort and consistency, but if you follow with me exactly like I'm going to show you in this video, I'm going to explain to you the volume concept that you can go and use to really boost the process of this, which is a big key to the strategy. So I recommend watch this video until the end so that you can go and understand this volume concept with the strategy. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to ClickBank, but I'm also going to give you 2 extra bonuses on top of ClickBank in case ClickBank is not accepted in your country. As I know, ClickBank is not worldwide. If that is your case, you can come over to warriorplus.com or digistore24.com, which is my alternative to ClickBank that I still use today. So if you're following the strategy with me, I recommend go and choose any one of these 3 and you'll be able to apply the strategy in today's video to go from $0 to over $300 a day. Now, as you know, all of these websites are affiliate marketing marketplaces where we can go and promote other people's products and earn a commission for that. But in today's video, we are going to be using this in a very different way to what I usually speak about on my YouTube channel. We don't need our own website. We don't need to create funnels. We don't need a tool like Builderall or Kartra.com. We're not going to be using social media and pasting links everywhere or trying to get organic traffic off social media. This is going to be a very different strategy to what I usually talk about. So really recommend follow with me on this one so that we can go and understand how to make $300 a day with these websites over here. Once you're on ClickBank or any one of these 3 affiliate marketplaces over here, you'll be able to sign up your completely free account. And I've already got my account, so I'm going to log in with my existing account over here. Once you've signed into a ClickBank account, you want to come over to the marketplace on the top right over here. And you want to type in the following on the search bar, as we're going to be using one specific product with the strategy. We want to go and search here, battery reconditioning, and the exact product that we are going to be using is this product over here called the new battery reconditioning course, VSL conversions 9.7%, which is an entire program that will teach you how to recycle and recondition batteries of remotes, cars, you name it, which is a very interesting product that is going to go very well with the strategy. And this is the exact product we are going to be using to go from $0 to over $300 a day completely for free without even spending any money on this. So what we're going to go and do is we want to go and click on the affiliate page over here. You'll see there's a big button that says affiliate page. If you go and open this up over here, you will see you've got access to a whole bunch of resources. All you need to do is to get access to your resources is just enter your email address over here and click on start now. Once you're on this page, you're going to get access to all sorts of affiliate links, email swipes for done for you email campaigns, banners, an entire Facebook ads kit, demographics, and miscellaneous tools over here. And since this product is all about battery reconditioning and recycling, we want to go and find a simple tips page or any kind of website that will give us tips on how to recondition or look after your battery or extend the battery life. So we want to come over to Google over here and go and search tips to extend your car battery life over here. Click on enter. We can, for example, click on this website over here, 7 ways to extend the life of your car battery. We can go and open this up in a new tab, and we want to go and do the following. You want to go and highlight the introduction, scroll down, copy tip number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to 7 over here. You want to click on right click on print over here, and it will load up this entire website or all the tips that you've copied into one simple PDF document over here. We want to click on destination, click on save as PDF, then click on save over here, and you can go and save this to your PC as a PDF file. The next thing we want to go and do is we want to come over to Google and search PDF editor. Click on enter. We can come over to this first link over here, sedger.com, any website where you can go and edit a PDF. Click on upload PDF, come over to the folder, come over to the folder where we've saved that PDF, double click it, and it will open it up in this website. And this is the following that you need to go and do. It's super important that you go and follow this with me. We want to come over back to ClickBank. We want to open up our website over here, and we want to go and type the following from this website. Come back to your PDF editor, scroll down to the bottom of the page. We want to go and click on links over here, highlight this entire section, and we want to go and come back to ClickBank, go and promote your affiliate link. So click on generate hop link. Copy your unique affiliate link, come back to Sedgwick.com and paste your link over here and click on enter. And then you want to come over to text over here and you want to type the following: free presentation. Just type colon. We can then go and copy, for example, this over here, bring old batteries back to life again. Click on comma, space, come back to this website. You can go and paste, for example, this one over here, save money and buy less batteries. Control C or right click copy. We can go and paste this over here. Click on comma again. Come back to your landing page and we can go and copy, for example, this one over here. Right click copy or Control C and go and paste that over here. We can just type in brackets, click here, and just move this a little bit, maybe underneath. And there we go. We now have a clickable link to this free presentation on this page over here, where all of the leads are going to land on this free presentation and will get upsold to the paid product of this, where you'll be earning over $50 every single sale that you make. And this PDF is what's going to generate us and turn us from $0 to over $300 in a day. So now what we can go and do is we want to go and click on apply changes over here. It will then take a couple of seconds. You can then go and download your new PDF that we've just edited. You'll see over here, this is now a clickable link, which will take me through my affiliate link to the landing page over here. So if I come back to my PDF, click on download and just save this to your PC again as the updated PDF. The next website is where all the magic is going to happen. I want you to quickly take a look at this. This website is currently getting over between 91 million and 100 million views every single month. Now I'm going to show you how we can go and utilize this PDF to grab a piece of this traffic over here. And you'll see a lot of this traffic is coming from a balance of top tier countries, Mexico, USA being the top two countries over here. This website is called Scribd.com, which is a website you'll see over here if I scroll down, where people post audio files, ebooks, books, art, and we can go and list our ebook that we've just created on this website and use the natural algorithm of Scribd.com to go and get tons of downloads on our ebook. As you'll be surprised, there's quite a lot of people with the interest in extending the life of their car batteries or any batteries of that matter. Because batteries are expensive, people want to save money. So we can go and click on sign in or log in or create an account on Scribd.com over here. I'm going to go and sign in with my Google account. Once you've signed in, you want to go and click on upload on the top right over here, and it's going to take you to a page where we can go and upload our documents. Now we must go and upload the ebook that we have just edited, and we want to go and type the following over here: just 7 ways to extend the life of your car battery. For the description, we can come back to the 7 Tips website, just scroll up to the top, and we can come over and copy a simple description just like this over here. So we can go and copy this, come back to Scribd.com, paste your description, click on done over here, and now this ebook has been listed on Scribd.com. So this website will naturally over time get traffic to your website. Once you've posted on this website and once you've posted on Scribd.com, you want to come over to this website over here called issuu.com and replicate the same process so that we can go and double this up and double the amount of traffic and potentially double the amount of sales that we can go and get. Exact same kind of platform where you can go and list your PDF or your documents or your ebooks or your books that people want to read and get tons of downloads and clicks over here. So you want to go and do the same thing, click on login or sign up over here, and you can go and upload your ebook completely for free. And this part is essential for the success of this. This is where I want to go and explain the volume concept about the strategy. So I'm going to go and open up my calculator over here, and I want you to follow with me. Let's, for example, take the challenge of posting 30 ebooks in 30 days. So let's go and average 5 views a day on each ebook. So we've now got 30 ebooks in our first month, and we're getting 5 views each times 5, which is 150 views a day on 30 ebooks. Let's say out of 150 people, 1 person converts into sales. That is now $50 a day in sales on ClickBank. Now let's say over time we now got 90 ebooks getting 20 views each. So let's go 90 times 20. That's now 1,800 views a day. And let's go at a conversion rate of 5 people that convert out of these 1,800 people. 5 times 50.70, which is the price or your affiliate commission. That's now $253 a day. Let's go and calculate 150 ebooks multiplied by 30 views a day. That's now 4,500 views. And let's go and take a conversion rate of 20 people out of that 4,500 people times the $50, that's now $1,000 a day. So you can see by adding volume to your script page and to your ISO page every single day over a month, 2 months, 3 months, you're going to get more and more views on each ebook. You're going to be getting more ebooks out. And as I calculated over here, based on volume, you are going to get more and more sales every single day. That's where volume with the strategy will really make or break this. And that's why I say you won't go and make $300 from day one, but over time, if you are consistent and add up your volume, you can scale to $300 a day pretty easily with this. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more with ClickBank, affiliate marketing products in general. I'm going to give you an entire free course, and this course contains information that I've spent years learning, tons of money on courses studying, all for free on YouTube over here. So this ClickBank Money playlist over here consists of about 200 videos of my best ClickBank affiliate marketing strategies, all compiled into one easy playlist for you guys. And on the left over here, I'm going to leave my entire Builderall training playlist, which is a tool that will teach you how to create your own funnels, email campaigns, checkout systems, sell your own products, create your own online agencies. And this pairs up really well with ClickBank affiliate products, which forms an amazing sweet spot as an affiliate marketer to make money online. So what I recommend is choose one of these playlists over here, and I'll see you over there.